clear communication rhythms, not constant check-ins. Anak, ikaw ba yung tipo na every hour nag-check-in sa team mo? Pus ka na ba? Kumusta na yan? Ano na ang update? Tapos feeling mo pagod ka na. Pero feeling ng staff, suffocated na sila. Here's what happened to Martin and Chell in their printing business. Martin's problem was this. He would check in every hour. Tapos ka na ba? Kumusta na yan? Ano na ang update? And nako, yung staff, they felt suffocated. Parang walang tiwala sa kanila. Tapos si Martin naman, pagod na pagod kasi he felt like he had to ask everything just to know what's happening. Kaya ang sabi tuloy ni Chell, love, baka kailangan mo lang ng structure. Hindi yung lagi kang nagtatanong. So they set clear communication rhythms. Monday, 9 a.m., 15-minute team huddle. Everyone shares what they finished last week, what they're working on, and if they need help. Wednesday afternoons, quick check-in via group chat for updates only. Friday, end of day, weekly summary, what's done, pending, and any challenges. Walang random na, kumusta na. Walang ganung messages during the day. And with this structure na hindi din naabala yung mga staff, they felt trusted. And Martin had peace of mind knowing updates would come at the right time. Ito yung lesson. Constant check-ins does not show care. Actually, they show distrust. Instead, create regular, predictable na communication rhythms. It gives your team space to work, hindi sila naabala, and it gives you structure to stay informed. So, create a simple communication schedule para sa team mo. Even just 3 touch points a week can already transform how your business operates, anak. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.